Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix laptop speakers crackling on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, make sure you're running the latest version of Windows. Go to the Start menu and search for Settings, then scroll down on the left side and click Windows Update. Press Check for updates and install anything available. Sometimes outdated software causes hardware issues like this. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Device Manager. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs and find your laptop speakers. Mine in called Realtek. Right-click it and choose Update Driver and browse My Computer and select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Choose the Audio Endpoint option and click Next. Once updated, right-click your speaker again and select Disable Device. Confirm, then right-click again and choose Enable Device. This resets your audio drivers. Now, right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar and select Sound Settings. Scroll down and click More Sound Settings. In the Playback tab, right-click your speaker and choose Properties. Go to the Advanced tab, disable Audio Enhancement, and try changing the audio format. If the crackling is still there, open the control panel and set view by the large icon, then go to power option. Switch your plan if you're on balance, change it to high performance. If you're already on high performance, try switching to balance. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.